Want to boost your woodworking without spending a fortune? In this video, we're showing off 20 coolest woodworking tools under $50. These budget-friendly gadgets are smart, efficient, and perfect for any skill level. Get ready to upgrade your toolkit with gear that delivers big performance without draining your wallet. From precision measuring tools and powerful clamps to smart cutting and sanding solutions, every item here is built to make your work faster, cleaner, and more professional. Stick around, because these tools can completely change the way you build, measure, and create. Let's dive in. Number 1. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig System. Ever tried joining two boards and ended up with weak, misaligned joints that just ruin your project? That frustration hits every DIY woodworker at some point. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig System fixes that instantly. Built from durable reinforced polymer and hardened steel drill guides, it lets you create precise pocket holes for rock-solid joints. The adjustable depth settings make it perfect for different wood thicknesses. It clamps securely, preventing slipping while you drill. Whether you're building cabinets, shelves, or furniture, this system delivers professional results fast. It saves time, reduces errors, and turns beginner builds into pro-level craftsmanship every single time. Number 2. BURMONG Countersink Drill. Bit struggling with screws that stick out or split your wood at the worst possible moment? That's a common headache when finishing woodworking projects. The BURMONG Countersink Drill Bit set solves it by combining drilling and countersinking in one smooth step. Made with high-speed steel and precision ground edges, it ensures clean entry points and flawless screw seating. The adjustable depth stop gives you control for consistent results across every board. It works with most standard drills and is perfect for furniture, decking, or cabinetry. This tool gives your projects a clean, professional finish without extra sanding or rework, saving you both time and frustration. Number 3. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil Set. Ever tried marking wood with a regular pencil only to watch the line fade, smear, or disappear mid-cut? That can ruin accuracy fast. The Nicpro Carpenter Pencil Set is designed specifically for woodworking precision. It comes with thick, flat-laid pencils that won't roll off your workspace, plus a built-in sharpener for consistent marking. The strong graphite works on rough lumber, wet surfaces, and even concrete. The ergonomic grip makes long projects easier on your hands. Whether you're framing, cutting, or measuring, this set keeps your lines bold and visible. It's a simple tool that dramatically improves accuracy and reduces costly mistakes on every job. Number 4. GOINGMAKE Chisel Sharpening. Nothing kills woodworking progress faster than dull chisels that tear instead of cut. The GOINGMAKE Chisel Sharpening System brings your blades back to razor-sharp condition in minutes. Made with premium abrasive materials and a stable guide platform, it helps maintain perfect sharpening angles every time. It works with most standard chisels and even plane irons. The compact design makes it easy to store in any workshop. Instead of replacing expensive tools, you restore them to like-new performance. Cleaner cuts, smoother finishes, and less effort make this a must-have for serious woodworkers who want precision without wasting time or money on every project. Number 5. EVALD Dowel Jig Joinery Kit. Ever struggled to align dowels perfectly and ended up with weak joints or misaligned furniture pieces? That's a common frustration in woodworking. The EVALD Dowel Jig Joinery Kit is built to solve that with precision and ease. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum and steel bushings, it ensures accurate drilling for strong, seamless joints. The adjustable guides fit multiple board sizes, making it versatile for furniture, cabinets, and frames. It locks firmly in place to prevent movement during drilling. With this kit, you get cleaner alignment, stronger builds, and professional quality results without complicated setups or expensive machinery in any workshop setup. Number 6. Massca Pocket Hole Jig System. Ever tried building furniture and watched your joints shift just enough to ruin the whole alignment? That tiny mistake can destroy hours of work. The Massca Pocket Hole Jig System fixes that with precision-engineered aluminum construction and hardened steel drill guides. It delivers consistent pocket holes for ultra-strong hidden joints. The adjustable spacing lets you work with different board thicknesses easily. It locks tightly to your material, preventing movement while drilling. Whether you're crafting chairs, tables, or cabinets, this tool gives you repeatable accuracy. It's compact, durable, and built for woodworkers who want professional-level strength without expensive machinery. Number 7. Sacher Scribing T-Square Tool. Ever struggled to mark perfectly straight lines on uneven wood edges and ended up with misaligned cuts? That frustration is common in woodworking. The Sacher Scribing T-Square tool solves it with precision engineering and smooth sliding calibration. Made from high-grade aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet extremely durable. The adjustable ruler system allows accurate layout marking for framing, trimming, and fitting. Its locking mechanism ensures your measurements stay exact without slipping. This tool makes layout work faster, cleaner, and far more reliable. Perfect for carpentry, cabinetry, or DIY builds, it guarantees straight professional results every time you start a cut. Number 8. BGASNW Bench Dog Clamp. Ever had your workpiece slide or shift right when you're drilling or sanding? That small movement can ruin your entire project. The BGASNW Bench Dog Clamp is built to lock your material firmly in place. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel and reinforced rubber pads, it grips tightly without damaging the surface. It fits standard bench dog holes, giving you instant stability on your workbench. The quick adjust locking system saves time during setup. Whether you're planing, rooting, or carving, this clamp keeps everything secure. It's a must-have for precision woodworking where even the smallest movement can lead to big mistakes. Number 9. Kreg Quick Flip Drill Guide. Ever switched between drilling and driving screws and lost alignment in the process? That slows down every woodworking project. The Kreg Quick Flip Drill Guide solves that with a smart dual-function design. Built from reinforced steel and precision machined guides, it allows instant switching between drill bit and driver bit. The depth collar ensures consistent results every time. It's compact, portable, and works with most standard drills. This tool reduces setup time and increases accuracy, especially for repetitive tasks. Whether you're assembling furniture or installing hardware, it keeps your workflow smooth, fast, and perfectly aligned from start to finish. Number 10. TrivdPro Oscillating Saw. Blade, ever tried cutting through tough wood or metal and felt your blade wear down way too fast? That slows down your entire project. The TrivdPro Oscillating Saw blade is designed to handle heavy-duty cutting with precision. Made from high-carbon steel with reinforced bimetal edges, it delivers long-lasting sharpness and durability. The universal fit works with most oscillating tools, making it highly versatile. It cuts through wood, nails, plastics, and drywall with ease. The precision teeth design ensures smooth, controlled cuts without splintering. This blade upgrade is perfect for fast, clean, and efficient performance in demanding workshop conditions. Number 11. Milescraft Sanding Block. Ever struggled to get a smooth finish on curved or uneven wood surfaces? Sanding by hand alone often leads to uneven results. The Milescraft Sanding Block fixes that with ergonomic design and flexible sanding control. Built from durable polymer with a soft grip handle, it reduces hand fatigue during long projects. The adjustable base lets you use different sandpaper grits easily. It adapts to flat, curved, and contoured surfaces for consistent finishing. Whether you're restoring furniture or smoothing edges, this tool delivers professional-grade results. It's simple, efficient, and a must-have for achieving flawless surfaces every time you sand. Number 12. ALLWAY Contour Scraper Tool. Ever tried scraping paint or shaping wood and ended up with uneven, messy results? That's a common workshop frustration. The ALLWAY Contour Scraper Tool is designed to fix that with precision contoured blades and ergonomic handling. Made from hardened steel blades and a durable plastic body, it adapts to different surface shapes easily. It's perfect for removing paint, smoothing edges, or refining curved wood surfaces. The comfortable grip gives you full control, even during long use. This tool helps you achieve cleaner finishes with less effort, making detailed woodworking and restoration projects faster, smoother, and far more accurate. Number 13. Fractal Mini Bench Vise Clamp. Ever needed a third hand while working on small wood pieces and wished your project would just stay still? That's exactly what this tool solves. The Fractal Mini Bench Vise Clamp is built from solid cast metal with strong gripping jaws for maximum stability. It attaches easily to most workbenches and holds small materials firmly in place. The smooth adjustment mechanism allows precise positioning without damaging your workpiece. Perfect for carving, drilling, or detailing, it gives you control where you need it most. This compact vise is essential for precision tasks that demand stability and accuracy. Number 14. Sacher Multifunction Scribe. Ever had trouble transferring measurements accurately from one surface to another and ended up wasting material? That's a common woodworking headache. The Sacher Multifunction Scribe solves it with adjustable precision arms and durable aluminum construction. It allows you to trace, mark, and replicate shapes with perfect accuracy. The smooth sliding mechanism ensures consistent measurements every time. It's ideal for cabinetry, flooring, and custom furniture work. Lightweight yet sturdy, it improves speed and reduces errors during layout work. This tool is a time saver that ensures every cut and mark matches your design perfectly. Number 15. Techfection square. Drill bits. Ever drilled holes that looked fine but didn't quite fit your hardware or joinery needs? That inconsistency can ruin precision projects. The Techfection square drill bits are designed to deliver sharp, accurate, and clean square cuts. Made from high-speed steel with reinforced edges, they provide durability and long-lasting performance. They are perfect for mortising, joinery, and advanced woodworking tasks. The universal shank fits most drills and machines. These bits reduce tear out and improve accuracy dramatically. For woodworkers aiming for professional-level craftsmanship, this set ensures every hole is precise, clean, and perfectly aligned with your design goals. Number 16. FAITIO Cabinet Hinge Jig. Ever installed cabinet doors only to realize the hinges are slightly off, leaving gaps, uneven alignment, and constant readjustments that waste your time? That problem is exactly what the FAITIO Cabinet Hinge Jig is built to eliminate. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy with reinforced steel guides, it delivers precise hinge placement every time. The adjustable scale and built-in depth control help you drill accurate cup holes without guesswork. It works with most cabinet hinge sizes, making it perfect for kitchens, wardrobes, and furniture builds. This tool saves time, reduces errors, and ensures every door closes smoothly with professional factory-level alignment. Pinhead. Number 17. Franklin Sensors Stud Finder. Ever tried hanging shelves or cabinets and missed a stud, only to end up with weak mounts and damaged walls? That frustration ends with the Franklin Sensors Stud Finder. Built with advanced multi-sensor technology, it detects studs with extreme accuracy across wide scan ranges. Unlike basic single-sensor tools, it shows full stud width for better precision. The ergonomic grip and a bright LED display make reading results fast and easy. It works on drywall, plaster, and other wall materials. This tool reduces guesswork, prevents drilling mistakes, and ensures strong, secure installations every time you mount anything in your home workshop or garage. Number 18. Rockler Parallel Clamp System. Ever clamping large panels only to see them warp, slide, or lose perfect alignment under pressure? That can destroy precision woodworking projects instantly. The Rockler Parallel Clamp System solves that with heavy-duty steel bars and perfectly paralleled jaws that distribute even pressure across the entire surface. The ergonomic handles provide strong grip control without fatigue. Rubberized pads protect wood surfaces from dents while maintaining firm hold. Ideal for cabinets, tabletops, and large assemblies, this clamp ensures everything stays perfectly square. It's built for durability, consistency, and professional-level pressure control, making it essential for any serious woodworking setup or workshop environment. Number 19. HAUTMEC Miter Box. Ever cutting angled joints and watching your workpiece shift just enough to ruin the perfect miter cut? That small movement leads to gaps and weak joints. The HAUTMEC Miter Box fixes it with a strong steel construction and precision locking mechanism designed for stability. It securely holds wood at exact angles while you saw, ensuring clean, accurate cuts every time. The adjustable grip works with different board sizes and miter box setups. Rubber pads protect your material from damage while keeping it firmly locked. This tool is essential for trim work, framing, and any project requiring flawless angled precision cuts. Number 20. Rockler Drawer. Install Clamp. Ever tried installing drawers only to realize they don't sit flush, slide unevenly, or feel misaligned after hours of work? That's a common frustration in cabinet making. The Rockler Drawer Install Clamp is designed to solve it with precision alignment support and heavy-duty steel construction. It holds drawer slides perfectly in place while you secure them, ensuring smooth and accurate installation. The adjustable arms fit multiple cabinet widths, making it highly versatile. Rubberized contact points protect surfaces from scratches. This tool speeds up installation, eliminates guesswork, and guarantees professional quality drawer alignment in every woodworking or cabinetry project you take on. That's the full lineup for today's Tools Wizard Countdown. And if you made it this far, you already know your workshop is about to level up big time. Every tool here is designed to save time, boost precision, and make woodworking feel effortless. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more Amazon tool breakdowns, and check the links in the description. Catch you in the next build.